Hi, I'm Emily from Motormatch Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this automatic Toyota Corolla in black. This Euro 6 compliant hatchback boasts a smooth 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine, offering an impressive 60 mpg fuel economy. With its sleek and stylish exterior, this car acts as a perfect option for all drivers. This vehicle stands on these stylish machine-face 17-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. To ensure the road ahead is fully illuminated, this vehicle benefits from LED headlights with LED front fog lights and separate LED daytime running lights to ensure you are visible to all road occupants in whatever the weather condition. You also benefit from these stylish LED rear combination lights with LED light guide. Now moving into the rear cabin, we're met with the stunning leather and cloth upholstery with your ISOFIX anchor points there, and a movable armrest with cup holders with a ventilation system for your rear passengers to enjoy. Now moving to the vehicle's spacious boot with its variable boot floor, your back seats also fold down at a 60-40 split, supplying you with even more room. You also have a built-in parcel shelf for extra privacy for your belongings inside, perfect for everyday's essentials and the weekly food shop. Now moving into the front cabin, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery on the front two seats as the back. We also get a glimpse here at your multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a closer look at the steering wheel, you can control the functions of the infotainment system and the vehicle via a click of a button. Now up ahead is also your digital display. Now moving to the vehicle's infotainment system, you can access navigation to ensure that you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys. You can also explore the radio options available or connect your own device to listen to your own music. You can also connect your phone to make and receive those all-important phone calls via Bluetooth. The vehicle a reversing camera is also featured on this vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing into those tighter spaces easier than ever. Here below you have your easy-to-use climate control, and below that your two front heated seats for ultimate comfort for you and your front passenger. Here we have your automatic transmission with your drive mode select button here, as well as your EV mode button. You can choose from sport, normal or eco depending on your journey that day. Moving down we have your automatic transmission and a Type-C USB charge port in the armrest. Thank you for watching this presentation on this Toyota Corolla in black. If you are interested in this automatic vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motormatch Stoke.